Well, hello out there, everyone. This is another video. Radio Nut R. That's me. Here in southwestern Ohio. Just wanted to show you a new radio toy I obtained yesterday. As you can see, it is the Robyn T-240D Base Mobile, aka the Executive. A lot of people refer to these as the Yellow Bird. This is a 40-channel tube type radio. I've got to take the covers off so we can see inside. The face is good on this one. The cover is a little worse for wear, as you can well see. But with a little sand and a little strip and some new paint, this one will look great. It's got a few chips along here, the bottom here. This also needs repainted. See the insides. 40 channel. It's a little dirty in there. Needs cleaned real well. Tube type, clumsy today. 6BQ5, 6BQ5. This radio has a tight receive on it, which means you don't hear all that hash and mash out there. Look how quiet this radio is. I love it. Yeah, I know this is a Gemtronics microphone, but my Robyn mic wasn't wired, so Gemtronics, Robyn, same thing. See if there's anybody out there this morning. Break one on for a radio check. Breaker for a radio check. Just a quiet Saturday morning. Channel 17 is the local chat channel around here. Anyway, that's my new Robyn T-240D. This one's from 1977. The last of the 40-channel tube types. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed.